I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to get a summary of an article using the Perplexity Comet web browser. Step 1. Navigate to the web page with the article you want to get a summary of in the Perplexity Comet browser. Step 2. Click the Summarize the Current Web Page icon at the top of the screen, which features 3 horizontal lines. A summary of the article on this page will automatically be generated in this window. You can use the text entry box at the bottom of this window to ask any questions you have about this article. If you want to see any sources used for responses in your chat, all you need to do is click Sources. You can click any sources in this list to see the associated page. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.